Good afternoon, children. So in the previous class, we have completed exercise 1.2, first Roman and second Roman. Now today we are going to the next problem, third problem. What is the third problem, see children? Because of COVID-19, a company locked down for 6 months and got loss of rupees 1,32,000 in the year 2020. Find the average loss of each month. So what is the question given here, children? So when the COVID came? 2020. Okay. On that year, the company was lost for 6 months. How much? 1,32,000. Now you have to find the average loss of each month. You have to find it. So first statement, how to write, children? What is given? Given loss for 6 months. Loss for 6 months equal to how much? Rupees 1,32,000. 1,32,000. Here loss is given now, so that's why you have to write minus. Loss means minus. Okay. And next, you have to find average loss of each month. Average loss of each month. Average loss of each month you have to find it. So what is given here? Loss for 6 months is equal to 1,32,000 rupees. It is loss means you should take minus, negative integer. And you have to find average loss of each month. Average loss of each month, what you should do? 1,32,000 divided by how many months? 6 months. Divided by 6. Okay. Now do the division, children. Minus 1,32,000 divided by 6. Okay. Now find it. 6 to 12. 6 to 12. 1 is remaining. Here you have add 1. That means 12. How much? 6 to 12. So here 3 zeros are there. Put 3 zeros. So what is the answer? How much loss for each month? Minus 22,000 rupees. So why here minus you have to write here? Here it is positive, here it is negative. So answer quotient is negative. So 22,000 rupees loss for each month. Okay. So therefore average loss of each month equal to minus rupees 22,000. Don't write minus. Average loss of each month, how much? 22,000 rupees. Okay. So what is the question given here? Loss for 6 months. So lockdown, the company was lost for 6 months. How much? 1,32,000 rupees. So loss of each month, how much average you should find? That means you should divide with 6. Okay. How many times? 22,000 rupees. So average loss of each month, how much? 22,000 rupees. Okay, ma? Come on, right. Next question, see children. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So here what is given here? Temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. Above 0 means it is positive or negative, children? Yes, it is positive. So what is given? At 12 noon, the temperature at 12 noon, the temperature equal to 10 degrees above 10 degrees centigrade above 0. And next, what is given? The temperature decreases per hour is equal to 2 degrees centigrade. The temperature decreases per hour. The temperature decreases per hour is equal to how much? 2 degrees centigrade. So decreases, here decreases means you should mention negative. That means minus 2 degrees centigrade. Next, what is given? The temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0. That means what? The temperature degrees centigrade below 0. Below 0 means you should mention as negative. That means minus 8 degrees centigrade. Okay. So you should find at what time the temperature be minus 8 degrees centigrade. You should find out first. Okay. So what is given here? Given at 12 noon the temperature is 10 degrees centigrade above 0. The temperature decreases per hour how much? Minus 2 degrees centigrade. Why? Because here decreases. So that's why I am taking minus. And the temperature 8 degrees centigrade below 0. Below 0 means it is negative. So minus 8 degrees centigrade. Next, at what time it will be minus 8 degrees centigrade? You should find out first. So the total temperature, the total falling temperature. So the total falling temperature from 0 degrees centigrade, 10 degrees centigrade to 0 degrees centigrade and 0 degrees centigrade to minus 8 degrees centigrade. So you have to find the total temperature, falling temperature, 10 degrees to 0 degrees and 0 degrees to minus 8 degrees centigrade. Here 10 to 0 means 10 degrees plus 8 degrees. How much? Minus 18 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now time taken. Therefore, time taken equal to, what is the temperature here? Minus 18 degrees centigrade divided by per hour. How much the temperature decreases here? 2 degrees centigrade. So minus 2 degrees centigrade. So minus minus will be cancelled. 2 nines. So what is the answer? 9 hours. 9 hours. So time taken is equal to how many hours? 9 hours. Now you should find at what time it is minus 8 degrees centigrade. So therefore 12 noon plus 9 hours. 12 noon. At present, what is that? 12 noon. 12 noon plus 9 hours. How much? 12 noon means 12 p.m. plus 9 hours. 9 hours means you have to add from 12 p.m. to 9. Okay, 9 hours you should add. That means 12 to 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at what time it is? 9. 9 p.m. So at 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8 degrees centigrade. Therefore, at 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. At 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. Now another question. What is the another question there? At midnight, how much it is temperature you should find. So we already know night 9 o'clock its temperature will be minus 8 degree centigrade. Midnight means midnight up to 12 o'clock. Okay. 9 after how many hours? 9 after 10, 11, 12. 3 hours is there. Okay. So therefore, at midnight, the temperature equal to, at 9 o'clock how much? 9 p.m. plus 3 hours remain. Okay, so 3 into per hour how many degrees centigrade it will be decreased? 2 degrees minus 2. So 9 p.m. how much temperature here? Minus 8 degrees centigrade plus 3 2 how much? Minus 6. Okay. So minus 8 plus of minus 6 degrees centigrade. How much? Minus 14 degree centigrade. So at midnight the temperature is equal to minus 14 degree centigrade. Therefore, at midnight the temperature equal to minus 14 degree centigrade. Okay, ma'am? Come on, right. A green grocer earned a profit of rupees 7 per kg of tomato and got loss of rupees 4 per kg of brinjal by selling on Monday. He gets neither profit or loss. If he sold 68 kgs of tomato, how many kgs of brinjal did he sell? So a green grocer earns a profit of 7 rupees per kg of tomatoes. Okay, and per kg loss of 4 rupees per kg of brinjal by selling. On Monday, he gets neither profit nor loss. If he sold 68 kgs of tomato, how many kgs of brinjal did he sell? You have to find it. So this is already we learned this type of problem in examples. Okay. Now look at here. So what is given here? Given in the problem, there is neither profit or loss on Monday. On Monday, there is no profit and loss also. So therefore, profit equal to, what is that profit equal to? Loss. Both are same only. So profit equal to loss. And next, what is given? Profit earned by selling 1 kg tomatoes. Okay, 1 kg tomatoes. How much children? 7 rupees. Rupees 7. So what is the given here? In the problem, there is no neither profit or loss on Monday. So the profit is equal to loss. Profit earned by selling 1 kg tomatoes. How much? 7 rupees. So profit earned by selling how many kgs children? 68 kgs. Selling 68 kgs of tomatoes equal to how much? 68 into rupees 7. How much children? 7 8 56, 5 is remaining, 7 6 42 plus 5 47. So profit earned by selling 68 kgs of tomatoes, how much? 476 rupees profit. And next, loss. Loss incurred by selling 1 kg brinjals. 1 kg brinjals. How much loss? For 1 kg loss? 4 rupees. 4 rupees. Here what is given? Loss given. So loss given means how you should write? Minus 4. Minus 4. Okay, ma'am. And now loss incurred by selling brinjals. We don't know how many kgs of brinjals, but here what is given? Profit is equal to loss. Both are equal. So profit and loss incurred by selling brinjals is equal to how much loss? Profit what is given? 476 rupees. So loss means you should write minus 476 rupees. Why? Because here profit is equal to loss. Both are equal. So what is the profit here? 476. And loss of brinjals also minus rupees 476. And next, total number of kgs. Therefore, total number of kgs of brinjal, total number of kgs of brinjal sold equal to minus 476 divided by, so loss per 1 kg brinjal how much? 4 rupees. So minus 4. So minus minus will be cancelled. Now divide. 4 ones 4. Okay, again 4 ones 4. How much remaining? 3 is remaining. 36. 4 nines 36. So how many kgs sold? Brinjals 119 kgs sold. Okay, ma'am? Did you understand? Again I will explain. See, in the problem what is given? There is neither profit or loss on Monday. So that equal to profit equal to loss. Both are equal. So profit earned by selling 1 kg tomatoes how much? 7 rupees. Profit earned by selling 68 kgs of tomatoes how much? 68 into 7 rupees, 476 rupees. Loss incurred by selling 1 kg brinjals 4 rupees. Loss means you should write minus 4. And loss incurred by selling brinjals. Profit equal to loss. No, so profit how much? 476 rupees. So loss also minus 476 rupees. So total number of kgs of brinjals sold is equal to loss by per kg loss. So 476 by 4. How many kgs? 119 kgs. Okay, ma'am? Right.